Hello, as always, Suchanowski and Dariusz, our perfect team remains the same. Welcome to the next episode. In today's episode, we will focus on your foot. To be more precise, we will focus on your hallux valgus deformation. We're going to show you a 5-minute set of exercises plus breaks like always for your bunion. As always, to respect your time, our video has been divided into individual chapters. You can jump to a given chapter by using the hint or move the progress bar on YouTube, which is also divided and signed. Our aim is to show you as quickly as possible the main part and jump to the exercises. However, for your safety, before we have to say about two important pieces of information. First information, remember the set of exercises is dedicated to the people who have already been diagnosed. So if it's the first time you feel you're experiencing the certain symptoms, you saw the deformation, the best solution would be to contact your doctor to at first find out the cause of your pain and then say conservative treatment or surgery. If conservative treatment, let's start to exercise. And second information, if you are a new viewer of our channel, in order to safely use our exercises, please watch the video with our warning, to which I leave the link in the card above somewhere here. That's it for today. We hope you have practiced with Magia and you will find this set of exercises helpful. Of course, feel free to comment down below in the comment section. And if you like us, if you like our video, if you like our entire channel, please leave the thumb up. If you want to see more of us, we invite you to our Facebook and Instagram. We wish you a perfect day. No pain, lots of exercise, and we will see you in the next episode.